This is TECNO SPARK 2022, and today I would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network on this device. So to start, you will need to open the Wi-Fi category of settings, which you can do by either holding the Wi-Fi icon from the control panel, or you can also achieve that by launching the settings app. Let me close this one first. So launch settings, and in here enter the Wi-Fi category. From here, assuming that the network you would like to share is the same network you are currently connected to, you gotta tap at the share icon over here, and you will be forwarded to the share QR code page, which provides you with a very convenient QR code that you can further scan with any other device you wanted to connect to the same network. And once you scan the QR code, the said device will be successfully connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. You can also open this share QR code page by opening the network details and then tapping at the share button from here. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.